The Little Lighthouse Keeper. There once was a small blue lighthouse on a rocky island. It wasn't a very tall lighthouse, and it wasn't very famous, but it was important. This lighthouse warned ships of the dangerous rocks nearby. And every night, a little old man named Finn lit the lamp at the top. Finn had been the lighthouse keeper for many years. He loved his job. Every night, he climbed the winding stairs, his old boots clomping on the stone. He polished the lamp until it shone like a tiny sun. Then, he turned it on, and the light swept across the dark sea. Finn was a happy man. He lived a quiet life, reading books, watching the birds, and listening to the waves. He felt good knowing he was helping sailors. He was doing something important. One day, a storm came. The wind howled like a hungry wolf, and the waves crashed against the island. The rain fell in sheets, and the sky was black. Finn climbed the stairs, even though the wind tried to pull him back. He knew he had to light the lamp. When he reached the top, he saw the lamp was damaged. The strong wind had broken some of the glass. The light was dim and weak. Finn knew this was a problem. If the light was too weak, ships might not see it and could crash into the rocks. Finn felt a little afraid. He was old, and he didn't have the tools to fix the lamp properly. He sat down for a moment, looking at the damaged lamp. He sighed. He thought, "What can I do?" Then he remembered something his grandmother used to say, "When things are hard, you must be creative." Finn had some things in his pocket, things he had found on the beach. A small piece of clear plastic, shiny and smooth, like sea glass, and some strong sticky tape. He looked at the broken glass, and then at the plastic. He had an idea. Carefully, he cut the plastic into small pieces, and used the tape to stick them over the broken parts of the lamp. It wasn't perfect, but it was something. He turned the lamp on. The light was brighter now. Not as bright as before the storm, but better. It was enough. As the storm raged, Finn kept watch, making sure the light kept shining. He watched as a small fishing boat passed by. The boat moved slowly, carefully, following the light. Finn knew the light was helping them, that he had done his job. The storm finally stopped the next morning. The sky turned a soft blue, and the sun rose. Finn went back down to his little house, tired but happy. He knew he had done his best, even when things were difficult. Later that day, a bigger boat came to the island. It was the repair boat. They had heard about the storm and came to fix the lighthouse. They saw Finn's repair on the lamp, and they were impressed. "You did a good job, old man," one of the sailors said. "You were very clever." Finn smiled. "I just did what I could," he said. That day, the repair team fixed the lighthouse. They replaced the broken glass and checked everything to make sure it was safe. The lamp shone brighter than ever before. Finn continued to keep the light, night after night, his boots clomping on the stone stairs. But now, he knew something new. He knew that even when things are hard, and you feel small or weak, you can still make a difference. You don't need to be perfect to be useful. You just need to do your best, and sometimes that is enough. you can always find a way. And so, the little lighthouse on the rocky island continued to shine, and Finn, the little lighthouse keeper, continued to do his important work, reminding everyone that even small lights can guide the way in the dark. He learned that day that problems aren't always bad. Sometimes they make us think and find hidden skills we didn't know we had. He also learned that motivation isn't always something you find from others. It can be found inside yourself when you need it the most.